Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel your Express credit card. To cancel Express credit card, first of all, go ahead and open a web browser. In the URL box, type in express.com and search. Once you get to the official website for express.com, go ahead and scroll all the way down from the main homepage. Now go to the Customer Service tab and click on Contact Us. You will then be able to see the toll-free numbers and mailing addresses that you can contact using. The easiest way to cancel your credit card is by going ahead and picking this Express credit card customer service hotline over here and make a phone call to it. The number will be available in the following days as mentioned on the screen. Go ahead and make a phone call on the number and speak to a customer service representative and tell them that you'd like to cancel your credit card. Follow through the on-screen instructions provided by them and you should be able to do it. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and send a mail by writing to this mail addresses over here and mentioning that you'd like to cancel your credit card. So that was how you can easily cancel credit card for Express. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.